Hello, friends, and welcome. So, yesterday we listened to this story, this wonderful story by Kevin Henkes of the book Chrysanthemum. And in Chrysanthemum, the great word bank of things, of new words. And one of the words that we're going to learn and talk about today is miserable. Miserable. And I want to show you. Miserable means very, very, very unhappy or sad, but not just a little bit. You're miserable. Remember, Victoria teased Chrysanthemum about her name many, many times. And so every day she would come home and she felt miserable. She was very, very, very unhappy. So I want to show you. Here's Grandpa and the little girl, and she is feeling miserable. She is really sad, and he's doing everything he can to comfort her and make her feel better. I want you to think about a time that you felt miserable. Okay? And this is what I want you to tell somebody by you. I felt miserable when. So talk about a time that you felt miserable. I will start. I felt miserable when I was really, really sick. I was unhappy. I did not feel good. Okay, I felt miserable. Okay, I felt miserable when. Now your turn. Share with your family a time that you felt miserable. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to move on to another word, not miserable. And we're going to think about, remember, one of the things that Chrysanthemum did when she felt miserable was to fill her pockets with her most prized possessions. Now, a possession is something that belongs to you. Something that belongs to you. So here is this friend, and he has a whole shelf of stuff that belongs to him. Okay? Those are his possessions. Those are his possessions. I want you to think about a possession of yours that is your most favorite. What is one of your most favorite possessions? Okay, and this is what you're going to tell your family. You're going to say, one of my favorite possessions is, one of my favorite possessions is, and I will start. One of my favorite possessions is a necklace that my sons gave me for Mother's Day, and it has their names on it. I love that possession because it reminds me of them all the time. So now your turn. One of my favorite possessions is, tell someone around you what your favorite possession is. Great job. Okay, so I love learning new words. One of the cool things about learning new words is that we get to keep track of them. So under M, you're going to write miserable. Pause it if you need to. And under P, we're going to write possession. Pause if you need to. Tomorrow I've got new words for you. Bye.